What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Back sometime in 2015, there were xenophobic attacks that were allegedly ignited by the remarks that were made in a speech by the then Zulu king, Goodwill Zwelithini, which was saying foreigners were taking jobs in South Africa and causing high unemployment. So the media then blamed the Zulu king for some of these statements that caused the xenophobia. The Zulu people, they get their growth, strength, and might. If you go back to times of Shaka, when he came up with lots of those military tactics, like the short stepping spear, the large shield, and the encirclement tactics. So recently, the new Zulu king has come up with a different approach because he has realized and seen that a lot of violence can occur if it is not mitigated. So he is now saying, let us not abuse and ill-treat foreign nationals. Instead, let us show them our ways because we know they come here to look for a better life. And we must be happy they choose to come here. These words were welcomed by a large media section and so many people throughout South Africa because it creates peace throughout the country and will make South Africa to grow and become a great nation. So tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll catch you guys on the next one.